So you already know about that. Today I will unboxing of new Motorola folding screen flip up smartphone Moto Razr 2022. No good things to say, let's unpack and full review. The design of this box is very delicate. Look at the design of these letters. This is also half and half. Prove that this phone has a smiler design. So wow, it's my dream phone. Put it inside and see what's in the box. Oh, this is protector case for Moto Razr 2022 and this protector case has a glue on it. Edge glue similar to Huawei made XS2. And this is 33 watt fast charging, looks great. What's in here? This little manual very delicate. If you interested, then read it. Here one is more Type-C data cable. Okay. Finally, my dream phone Moto Razr 2022 in front of me. I cannot believe it. Oh, bang, bang, bang. This is one of his Motorola logo. There is a kind of matty material real shield design on Moto Razr 2022. I like it. Above is a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. With the particular large extended screen display, here is a dual camera, below is a razor hint. So flip power. Oh, we finally go to see the display. We look at the crease. This is his angle design. We can take a look. Let's take a look together. As a whole, and what about the catch? His design are still more closely matched. Its overall body is uphold. One of the Motorola Razr series. This is best Razr smartphone from previous two generation. Look here, it's slow switch. So this kind of thing reflects the meaning of the so-called Razr heart, and its feel is also very good, very comfortable. Because it uses a middle frame. Oh, here is the Motorola logo, looks so fancy, cute and beautiful. This is his front camera and this is back. There is a switch button on the side, also a fingerprint, key volume up and down keys. So there is a SIM card port at the bottom, Type-C port and mic and speaker control. It's up and down dual speaker system. Let's take a look at the top of it. There are also two speakers here, front and top in the middle. The whole design is beautiful. This frame of his was indeed designed so beautiful. More prominent than his screen, just to better protect this cover screen, what's under this chin, and also this is very comfortable. For the Razr compared to the previous generation, it's a big improvement. He is not the continue, so this is big news. Personally, there is that chin under the Razr series. Did he just remove the chin? But this side is still relatively wide, so you don't worry about that. But relatively speaking, it's also very good. Let's open it and feel it. This is the board. Is not it cool? Let me take a look at this startup dynamic. When the screen was thin, he had won the display of this secondary screen. This screen, literally speaking, is it the largest secondary screen in the industry currently. You can take a look at the notification, and some apps can be applied here. This app can be added by yourself, you don't know, but I think this is best feature so far in Moto Razr 2022. And one thing, you can also have a dial pad to make calls, and that is can also play a relatively small game of the design. This is best. So personally, a little game of shaking a sieve, one more pass, a game of bingy jumping. What about you? You can also pull the front camera off here, open the front camera and easy to take pictures. This is so easy. And this front camera is able to pass the hand. It's all about to take control. Okay, let's explain and take a look at this dynamic flip up smartphone. Wow, look again. Nice. This Razr phone specification is also very powerful. This phone is powered by the latest MYUI Motorola version. Then it uses the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Or related to other feature, it's some very functional shape. What to say then? It's better to run out of the last model icon design.